This is an encoder with 500 pulse, and this is a wheel with 0.3 meters. And here is a counter that's presented. When the wheels turn around, the counter will display the length of the wheel's circumference. Here we go to see how to set the counter. Firstly, press the MOD key and pressing it for 3 seconds and jump into COEF mode. Modify the number to 0 to 3 and press the mode key. Okay, the magnification is done. So we can check it. Turn around the wheel. It shows about 300 millimeter. We can convert the millimeter to meters. We can modify and press the key and keep it for 3 seconds again and jump into this mode. Okay, modify the decimal point in the 3rd place. Okay, press the key again. Let's check it. Turn the wheel, turn around. Okay.